Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for coming back, or if you're new, this is a new channel, a brand new channel about making money online, money making systems, money making strategies. So hopefully with your support we can hopefully grow in the future. So if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell of any new videos I do. Normally do probably about 2 a week, sometimes 3, if there's anything out there worth recording. But anyway, let's get on to this one today. And in this video, we're going to look at how you can get paid as a user tester. What is a user tester, I hear you ask? Well, it's like any product or service that are introduced to the wider marketplace, and they have to undergo a lot of testing to ensure they work and function as they are supposed to do. Maybe we are on Amazon, just for an example. I'll just type in headsets. This is just a little bit of an example. And it's all about user experience, and Amazon would have probably done this user testing using the general public to test things on their site. Let's look at one of these headphones, just for example. And it's like a user experience, isn't it? If you want to buy this headset, you want to know all the different angles of it. There's a video there and information, and obviously the classic feedback, what others have bought, similar items. But this is the type of feedback that these companies want. They want the exactly how you find it. So user testers are normally used to test out new websites and apps before they launch. And the innovators, software engineers and developers can only do so much testing themselves, but nothing can compete against these websites and apps that are being used by everyday people in everyday situations. So this is why there is money to be made as a user tester. Let's look for something else. About electric scooter. So they may give you some like simple guidance to what things that they're looking for to be tested. So when you sign up to be a user tester, they might give you some simple information on what to test. Maybe it's the shopping cart system. It could be absolutely anything. And these websites, they can be for downloading music. They can be absolutely all different types of genres. And they just want everyday people like you. So this is why there's some money to be made in this market. So you'll be playing the part of a new visitor to these websites or apps, and they want you to look for issues, maybe from product search functions or the ease of ordering, product description, clarity of images. You can see these images, and the list goes on and on. But it all sounds very basic, but this is a critical information for the companies and can be the difference between success and failure, I suppose. This is why they will reward you for your time, and your feedback could save them millions of dollars. So you are playing a key role in the website or app development process. It's a key factor that they want to test all these websites on real people, not just testing in-house as part of their research. When the actual innovators and software engineers and developers can only do so much testing themselves, but nothing can compete against ordinary people like me and you for testing it as they go. So let's have a look at some of these companies. First one is user testing. As you can see here, they get paid to share your perspective with global brands. And you will find when you look at some of these that they all pay different rewards. How much money can I make? On this one, let's have a look. This is user testing, and they will pay, let's see, $4 for 5-minute tests, $10 for a 20-minute test, and between $30 and $120 for live interviews. So basically you'll go live on screen if you're not too shy at showing your face and giving a visual feedback instead of just like a normal text feedback, and they will pay you a lot more money for doing just that. So if you don't mind being on camera at home and giving your honest opinion of what you thought about the actual website or app, and you can make a lot more money. And that was user testing. Don't worry about these websites. I will list them all in the description below. IntelliZoom. Let's have a look at IntelliZoom, see what they pay. They're all basically, they've got 15 to 20 minutes to spare. And they do about $10 on average. Simple surveys, I pay a lot less. That's about $2. Let's have a look at the next one. Ping Pong. This is Hello Ping Pong. These are all worldwide. You don't need any experience doing this. They're available to everybody. And you can see the types of companies that they deal with. Major world brands, BT, Nestle, Dropbox. And this is what the information that we want is. They will pay $15 for a 30-minute video session, $30 for a 60-minute. In the special cases, they will pay up to 200. Oh, this is 200 euros. Excuse me, 200 euros. Say here you can earn $10, €10 to $100 per hour doing this, and that is Ping Pong. Next one. Test.io, join our testing community, earn up to $50 for every issue you find. So you'll be basically going through the websites and apps and looking for issues, looking for problems. If something didn't work quite right, you would just report that. And if it's something that they didn't know about, they will gladly pay you $50 for every issue that you find. So slightly different, but here again you can see the brands. Lacoste, for example, major global brands. This one's called TryMyUI.com. This is another one which is pays $10 for every test that you take. Userfeel, same again, $10. You can read all a bit more about this, exactly what they do. The next one is User Interviews. Let's have a look at this one. See some good, decent feedback. A lot of them. Well, this is quite interesting. This is online user tests and surveys, $20 to $300 plus. Online interviews, $20 to $300. Online diary studies. So obviously you're going to be doing this over a period, which is 3 days to several weeks, and that's $55 to $400. Online focus groups, being part of a group, that's going to take 1 hour to 3 hours of your time, $40 to $200. And all online studies, 30 minutes over several days, pays $20 up to $1,500 plus. That is userinterviews.com. So all these are really worth looking into. Obviously, this is not a full-time income job or anything. This is real side hustle stuff. And you can look at some of these major brands that this company deals with, including Pinterest, which is quite interesting. The next one we'll just cover is Userlytics. I have found a lot more of these actually, but some of them don't actually like telling you what they pay. Some pay with just on a point system basically. But if they didn't say actually how much they pay, I just completely ignore it. To me, it looks like they're hiding something. So here we go on this one. This is Userlytics. Get paid via PayPal. Be paid $5, $10, $15, $20, and as much as $90. Excuse me, and that will probably be for a video interview. So you get a bit of you get a bit more information the more you dive into this. And obviously, it all depends. They'll be looking for the right profile, for the right user test. It might be something to do with age. It could be anything. Obviously, like downloading music would be for the younger genre. But generally you've got to be 16 or 18 years or older, no qualifications required, and they'll have lots and lots of different tests that you can participate in and make some nice money on the side just for helping these brands and helping develop the website and apps. So that is it for today. I really hope you enjoyed that quick video. Please, again, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for future money-making videos. I'm going to look at some of these myself. I think they look quite tempting, don't they, when you get these $1,500 plus. It'll be quite interesting to see what you have to do for that money. But that's it for today, this quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you soon on the next money-making video. My name is Mark Anthony, and I'll see you next time. Take care.